Alrighty, how do we make some custom reports? Get in your downline. You got it opened up like that. You go over here to where it says advanced. Customize. Click. Drop down menu. We're going to go for people that have PV. Now you might not be able to see this on your screen, but I've got auto ship PV. Now you'll see that, which is greater than or equal to 170. Type that in. Click add. And again, auto ship PV is less than 190, 190. Type that in. Click apply. Bada bing, there's a whole list of people that have their e-orders set for more than 170 and less than 190. You can click on the auto ship. All these things at the top will sort things low to high, then high to low, or high to low, then low to high. So I click auto ship. So that's showing my people at the end of the month. Click it again. Now it's showing my people at the beginning of the month. You can see I got a couple people already processed in between there. So I would say we're going to look for, if today's the 3rd, we're going to look at the people on the 3rd. We could hover over that and see what their amount is, 173 it looks like. But in any event, so it's really easy to go through here and sort this stuff out. Okay, and again, you can sort by member number, you can sort by all this stuff. But in any event, there's our report. Piece of cake. So, now what do? We click save. So we say, what's the name of the report? There's a little box that says save report up here. You can't see it, it's out of the screen, but we're going to name it close to 190. You can put a description if you want. Let's say folks are going to miss free 190, 190 PV promo. And you can pick whatever levels you want. And then you just click save. So there's your report. Okay, we're going to go back to all accounts. You missed me on that one, but I changed it to all accounts. So now that report is actually saved as a report. So when you click on your accounts, you get all the normal accounts, or all normal reports, all accounts, members, new members, blah, 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 all the way down here, on hold, missing current month auto ship, forecast PV. But then you can see this list down here, my reports. So I'm going to scroll down. You can see mine are called missing 300, missing 250, missing 190, missing 100. Last order, no ER. Those are the ones I've saved, but this is the one we just created. Close to 190, you click on that. It gives you your list. You're all set. You can contact your person today, tomorrow's people. It could change because they could change their ER cart before then. But so that's why if you look at it every morning, you just look at the people you have to deal with. And that's that. Now, I'm going to change this back to all accounts. Again, you won't be able to see me off the screen, but I changed to all accounts right there. So these are all my people, but I can click on auto ship and it'll list everybody in my auto ship. Again, if you click on it and you don't have that many people in your downline, you can just run right through it and you can see what their orders are going to be. So that's the easy way to check your missing promos. Create those reports. You might make 3 or 4 of them. It won't take you a few minutes in the morning. That's that.